Morning team, it's Thursday, my last trading day of the week as in summer, and September 21st. We got another week till the end of the month. I'm gonna be coming back full-time trading after 10 October, I guess. But yeah, no rush. Anyway, we got some news today. New York unemployment and London small ones. Actually, almost no news. So yeah, could be a nice London session. Honestly, you after days after FOMC days when it expand like that much. I don't know how much was that. Yeah, not crazy, like 90 pips. He usually can follow some sideways. That doesn't mean we don't get any trade. Maybe we get some range play. Anyway, okay, yeah. Weekly again, another printing another red week, bearish one. Right now we got 2 days left, but for this to become bullish, well, it's 30 pips, not too crazy. But yeah, it's not looking good weekly. It looks like that can expand anytime soon to me, but we don't trade weekly. So daily, yesterday we printed the definition of a engulfing because we took previous day high, rejected hard and closed way below the previous day low. So this is the definition of an engulfing candle when you want one, which means bearishness. Okay. So yeah, right now they pushed again in Asia, and now it looks like it's raiding, but yeah, it's way too soon to call this a raid. Okay, I said yesterday that I was bearish. I'm not trying to justify myself, but I wanted them to defend this high because they did this little BMS here, but I also said I want the real BMS here done. Instead, they raid this low, which was the beginning of the move up, because this one is like an intra swing, you know, it's not like the real swing low. The real swing low was this one. Instead they raided and pushed again, and now it finally broke down. When I saw this one that couldn't get broken, I looked for long the whole day. Actually, I posted in chart in the group some long idea that I had, and I never got filled, but whatever. Not trying to say that I was right, because I also was bearish, but I wanted them to break this one, and instead they raided. Well, now there is absolutely zero reasons to go back higher if price is bearish. So if we ever go back up here, this thing is gonna go to, I don't know, to infinite, you know, like rip up, because they close the whole move down. This is perfect price action. This is as clean as it can get. Move down, liquidity void, pull back, pull back, pull back, fill the imbalance, and done again. I don't know. When I look at this, I'm impressed. I mean, I love price action, and when I look at this, it feels like poetry to me. It's beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. Took how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Kind of 5 days of pullback, and finally delivered again. Yeah, how beautiful it would have been to have a trade here on H1. I mean, H1 trade, I don't know, H1 trade needs a lot of patience, but imagine. This is like 6R in, well, maybe you don't aim that low, maybe you aim to these lows and it was like 3R, but how beautiful it would have been to keep it simple. Anyway, we don't trade like this, so we stick to our plan. What are we going to look today? Well, I would love to look for shorts. Where, yeah, in the premium side of the move down, but considering it's a big move down, who knows if we ever go back there. Anyway, this fair value gap on H4 is beautiful, will be confluent with the breaker. This is the perfect breaker, because break structure up and then finally go up. This is like perfect breaker. And yes, any pullback in this area, I will happily look for shorts. But let's have a look to the time frame. Yes, Anything here would be amazing. In order to get there, you can also get in some longs, you know. Maybe we start to break M15. Yeah, except for example, if we start to break this M15 swing high, I will be allowed to look for longs because we collect big liquidity here, daily liquidity. We break M15. If I start to see bullishness, I can go for longs, you know, something like this maybe, you know, and then look for longs into these areas. I think I will get out as soon as I reach these breakers here. This will be like my maximum target for longs myself. Anyway, it's super early. I'm going to go to the gym now, have a workout before London Open and be at charts at 8 o'clock. So yes, I can see a pullback like this only if we switch on M15, or else we can keep dumping big time. Oh look, this is what I made yesterday. You remember when I made this and I said like maybe they take the liquidity again and then they dump? Wow, this was on point. Anyway, I was saying if M15 keeps down, we can keep dumping, and it's totally fine for me. But yeah, I'm not super happy to short after collecting a daily liquidity without any pullback higher. You know, this is what I mean. I'm happy to keep shorting, but I also aware that there was some big liquidity collect. I think this is a 3-day liquidity. Oh, no. It's like a daily liquidity, daily swing low liquidity. So yeah, let's see what they give to us. Okay, that's enough for me for today, guys. New video coming on Monday, I think. And yes, I will post charts later in the Telegram group. Have a nice day and weekend. Bye bye.